Hello everybody, today we're going to be building a 12-foot desk right here. Would it be okay to say in the video that I have no idea what I'm doing? We've got just a plain wall here, and we're gonna build a nice 12-foot gaming desk. I've never done anything like this before, so we are learning as we go. Right, Rainier?
No!
We're learning as we go.
Oh, yeah, no, professionals!
We're just prepping the wall because we are gonna paint it eventually. This is gonna be all black. It's gonna be a nice desk about 30 inches high. So we're gonna make it 30 inches high and 12 feet long. The depth is gonna be 2 feet. So from here to like around here. So I'm gonna try to do a floating desk. And if we need to, we're gonna put a little support in the middle, but we're just gonna drill studs in the back and along the sides. Our materials is 4 2x4x12s. As you can see, these are very long. And then we got this nice piece of maple. We're gonna seal it after we install it. This was a 4x8 piece, but then we got it cut down at Home Depot. They did it for us. So it's gonna be 2 6-foot pieces put together with the seam right in the middle. We're gonna be using wood glue to hold it together nice and strong. We're also gonna use screws as well. And then this is the sealer. Screws we're using are 2.5-inch screws. We're using this, just black paint for the back wall. Right now we're prepping the wall. We're just gonna fill in some holes, take out the nails. Oh, make sure you don't step on that, okay.
Rusty nails, anyone?
We're trying to figure out how high we should make the desk. I said 30 inches. We wanted 30 inches, but up here is 34. And we think 34 might be too high if we make the bottom of it
So this,
30.
Take our word for it, is 34. Imagine eating breakfast, hungover, and you have to eat like, that's awful. Oh yeah, this is 32. This is still good, because it's a little high, but it keeps your posture good, because most people, they like, you know, 32.
At its highest, okay. 32 at its highest. So we have to knock it down, what, like 3 inches?
Yeah.
Show them 32? Yeah, that's a good height.
It's a good table height.
And we're gonna have our gaming chairs, and they're adjustable. These are, if you were to bring, we're also accounting for like if someone else wants to live in the house. So we measured from wall to wall, and it's 11 feet and 11.5 inches. So I made a mark here, right there. We're just gonna shave off little by little until it's finally snug right into the corner. Where'd the piece of wood go? It's literally inside. That's what the hell? The piece of wood is stuck inside. No, keep going, keep going. Ah! That's exactly what I wanted.
A little more, like one tap. Should we like put our weight on it?
After, yeah. We're having trouble finding studs, but we're
But
starting.
I know there's one right here.
Thanks. But we're starting to find them now. So far, so good. So since this is 1.5 inches and we want a 4-inch overhang, we're gonna get a 18.5-inch piece and then have it hang off 4 inches. So we're gonna cut 2 18.5-inch pieces, one going here and one going here. What are you doing?
In the middle of you panning the camera, I went like this. Perfect time.
Kegels?
Is it Kegels or cunnilingus?
I don't know.
It's Kegels.
What's
It's
that?
like exercise.
Imagine it just broke and we just We're doing a strength test on the stud we just put in. Ready?
We're gonna do some dips.
Ready? If you feel it like giving
Give it like a big explode. I don't feel it moving at all.
No, it's not even moving.
Alright, let's go.
We got both pieces installed. That one we put 8 screws in because it was very hard to find a stud. And this one only has 4 because we found a stud right away. We messed up a little bit. We didn't account for the 1.5 inches here, so I'm gonna have to cut this 1.5 inches back. I'd rather screw this here rather than into here because that doesn't look too safe, so.
Sample.
Oh my god, that looks so sick. That looks so sick. I think we're gonna paint now, and then we're gonna continue building the frame.
We are currently 10 sodas deep, building a desk.
We just finished putting studs every 16 inches. Let's go. It's not fully in, 100%. That's a floating desk. We might put some supports. Before we put the glue on, I want to show you guys. We put 8 studs in the middle just for extra support. That's probably overkill, but we just wanted it to be super strong. Yeah, we want it to be like a freaking, we wanted it to carry like people if we wanted to sit on it. So then we put these braces, these two 45-degree angle braces on the bottom, because you know triangle's the strongest shape. Remember, we're not professionals.
We're learning as we go.
Say that again one more time.
We're learning as we go.
And then we put our own little logos in each of our sections, because this is gonna be a 3-person desk. It's gonna be 1 person, 2 person, 3 person. Go subscribe to Rainier's channel. You guys already know Luke's vlogs. Don't mind the bad spelling. We used a wood burner to burn this in. We're gonna sand these down and paint those after. As you can see, it is coming along nicely. Looks beautiful. We still gotta paint the bottom pieces down there. And now we're going to add the glue, finally. Now we're gonna finally apply the glue, and then this is basically the biggest part of the whole project, in my opinion. Right? Do you think so?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna apply the glue now. Let's go!
Time for glue!
Time for glue! Don't even think
I'll wipe, you go.
Yeah?
Yep.
Oh, let's be efficient.
Okay, let's go. Okay, flush it here, flush it here. Yep, a little more. Right there. Wait, I'll put the weights here. Okay. You covered with the weights. Yeah! So basically, the desk is now complete. Everything we do from here on is just to make it look pretty.
We put a little bit of wood glue in here. I don't know if you guys can see that. And we're trying to break it and we can't. And this piece is tiny. That's how strong that is. That's crazy.
I hurt my hands.
Sponsor me, Lepage. Lepage?
Lepage.
However you pronounce that. I seen this cool trick when you're sanding. You put some pencil marks on there. So that way when you're sanding, you can see that the pencil mark is barely visible. So you can kind of track where you're sanding. It's pretty cool. I learned that from YouTube. We're gonna start with a 150 grit, and then we're gonna work to a 220, and then we're gonna put the finish on. So first I'm gonna do the pencil trick. Now we are gonna do the 220 grit. We got everything painted now. We got the bottom, you can barely see them, the bottom braces painted. All black, so it finishes nicely with the wall. But it turned out pretty freaking good for 2 guys who don't know what they're really doing. We're learning as we go. This is the finish that we'll be using. This cost around $50 for this. Hopefully it turns out nice. Okay, spread it out. So we got old t-shirts and we're using it to rub it in.
100% cotton.
It is the next day. We put all 3 coats of sealer finish on it.
Nice warm amber finish.
Nice warm amber finish. I think it looks freaking phenomenal. Very proud of our work. We're gonna install the LED lights underneath and we're gonna show you guys how it looks. To show you guys how strong this desk is, we're both gonna sit on it at the same time. Okay, let's go. Let's go! Yaggers, let's go! Hello, welcome back. It's about 2 months later. I just wanted to show you guys the desk fully done at its highest potential. I didn't want to show you with nothing on it. I wanted to show you when it was close to almost 100% being done. I drilled some holes in the desk for cable management. So there's 3 holes, 1 for every person. We also got this really cool light in the back here. And then we added some LED strips underneath. I'll show you guys a clip of it at night. It looks way better at night. So we'll wait till nighttime to show you the final best result that you could probably see. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. If you like this video, leave a comment down below. It means a lot. Thank you. Peace.